High above us, amidst the blackness of space, shines a beacon of human ingenuity, the International Space Station. It orbits Earth at an astonishing speed, completing one trip around our planet every 90 minutes. This marvel of engineering is a testament to the power of human collaboration and our unyielding desire to explore the cosmos. From down here on Earth, it appears as a bright, fast-moving star traversing the night sky. But the ISS is more than just a celestial spectacle. It is a continuously crewed platform for scientific research. Inside its modules, astronauts from around the world are conducting experiments that are pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The ISS is a remarkable feat of engineering, a modular structure assembled piece by piece in orbit. Its assembly began in 1998, transforming from a dream into a reality over a decade and more than 100 spaceflights. The station comprises various modules, each with a specific purpose, from laboratories to living quarters. Imagine assembling a complex jigsaw puzzle, but instead of being on a table, the pieces are floating in space. The construction of the ISS demanded meticulous planning and groundbreaking technology. The station's primary power source comes from massive solar arrays that convert sunlight into electricity. These arrays provide the energy needed to run the station's life support systems, scientific equipment, and everything in between. Within this extraordinary structure, astronauts live and work in an environment vastly different from our own, conducting experiments that are impossible to replicate on Earth. Life aboard the ISS is an experience unlike any other. Astronauts live and work in this unique microgravity environment, adapting to a new reality where even the simplest tasks require a different approach. They conduct experiments, exercise regularly to combat muscle and bone loss, and maintain the station's intricate systems. Daily life aboard the ISS is carefully structured to maximize efficiency and ensure the well-being of the crew. The ISS features a closed-loop life support system, recycling water and oxygen, minimizing the need for resupply missions from Earth. Living in the confined environment of the ISS for months at a time requires exceptional teamwork and camaraderie. Their experiences aboard the ISS exemplify the power of human collaboration and the importance of international cooperation in achieving extraordinary feats. The ISS is perhaps humanity's greatest example of international collaboration. 15 nations, including the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and members of the European Space Agency, came together to build and operate this orbiting laboratory. This partnership has not only led to groundbreaking scientific discoveries, but has also fostered a spirit of cooperation and understanding among nations. The shared challenges and triumphs of the ISS program serve as a model for future international collaborations, not just in space exploration but in other fields as well. The ISS is not just an orbiting laboratory, it is a stepping stone to future space exploration. The knowledge and experience gained from building and operating the ISS are invaluable as we set our sights on more ambitious goals, such as returning to the Moon and venturing to Mars. The ISS is a testing ground for technologies that will be crucial for future deep space missions. The experience of living and working in microgravity, gained by astronauts on the ISS, provides invaluable insights for planning future missions to other celestial bodies. The challenges of living and working in space, such as radiation exposure and muscle and bone loss, are being studied extensively on the ISS, paving the way for safer and more efficient space travel in the future. By pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and international collaboration, the ISS is paving the way for a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. As we look towards the future of space exploration, the legacy of the International Space Station will continue to inspire generations to come. The knowledge gained, the technologies developed, and the spirit of international collaboration fostered by the ISS will undoubtedly shape the future of space exploration. The ISS has allowed us to conduct experiments in a unique microgravity environment, leading to advancements in medicine, materials science, and our understanding of the universe. More than a scientific endeavor, the ISS is a symbol of unity and hope. It demonstrates that nations can set aside their differences and work together towards a common goal, achieving extraordinary things that benefit all of humankind. As the ISS continues to orbit our planet, it serves as a constant reminder of humanity's enduring spirit of exploration and our boundless potential to reach for the stars.